So Andrew wants to know, when you had the idea of opening the restaurant, were you set on doing barbecue or did you have other food ideas?
Well, I had like 3 ideas for the restaurant. Obviously barbecue was a pretty easy choice with my background, but I've always had the idea to open a really unique sandwich shop or even a quick service like Italian shop. I feel like Wichita could really use a couple of those. I wanted to have like a sandwich shop where you had like a Juicy Lucy and a Killer Reuben and a Philly steak and that kind of thing. Like maybe have like fresh cut chips, fresh cut fries. I always thought that would be pretty cool. The Italian spot, I always thought would be neat to have something that was in between Fazoli's and, I don't know, Olive Garden, right? So I really think that you could take Italian and really run with it and do something totally awesome, quick service style. So those were the couple ideas I had. But barbecue was my passion and what I've always been good at, so that was the easy choice.